Hello again, Travel Bees. It's James from Globebug, and today we're checking out the 5-star beachfront resort called the Surin in Phuket, which is located in the Patong district on the northwest coast of Phuket. Access to the secluded property is via a gated tree-lined driveway that winds over a small hill, giving the hotel grounds total privacy. The driveway is serviced by a small fleet of on-call buggies, making it easy to access a family mart and a variety of small shops including Thai massage, clothing and restaurants out on the entrance road. Get ready to relax. Within a short time of arrival, you will find yourself automatically shifting gears to a far more laid-back pace. We used the Surin's airport limousine service that included free Wi-Fi. The rate was reasonable for the 40-minute drive from Phuket International Airport. There are plenty of staff on hand at each end of the trip to help with the luggage, and the extra touch of luxury made the transfer effortless and enjoyable. We booked one of Surin's superior cottages and were upgraded to the deluxe version. Both cottage types are 46 square metres in size, with the deluxe cottages located closer to beach access. Staff guided us along the jungle walkways and stairs to our home for the next 5 nights. It was nice to see our bags arrive without delay. Many hotels take much longer to deliver the bags to the room when all you want to do is relax in peace after a long flight. The Surin has just over 100 deluxe cottages spread across the hillside and does not feel overcrowded. The mass planting of palms, frangipani and other tropical species mixed between larger mature trees provides privacy and a real magical sense to the entire site. The spacious rooms feature a super king-size bed and a long bay window with sofa, flanked on each side by a writing desk and small coffee bar. The room gets relaxing semi-filtered afternoon sun, and you get spectacular ocean views of the Andaman Sea from the bay window sofa and twin lounges on the adjoining private terrace. Connected to the bedroom are twin walk-in robes with plenty of storage space, and the shower room has a long opening window, again with ocean views. The breakfast area has both indoor and outdoor seating with picturesque views over the main pool and out to sea. The centrepiece of the property is the main pool for both day and nighttime activities, surrounded by single and double lounge chairs and some dining options. The lounge chairs spill down onto the sand and along the beach. These are serviced by the beach bar, and we found ourselves eating and drinking on the beach, around the pool and at the bar on most days. The fine-grained sand on Pansea beach is soft underfoot and the water is crystal clear. Not to be confused with the public Surin beach just around the headland, Pansea is private and quiet. The bay is shared by the Surin at one end and the Amanpuri at the other. My guess is the beach is around 800 metres long and it's perfect for a super chilled out sunset walk. There is complimentary catamaran sailing, canoeing, windsurfing, snorkeling and paddleboard activities available. The water temperature is warm, no shock to the system at all or need to slowly edge in to adjust. The lack of noisy jet skis and speedboats makes it really easy to unwind all the senses. That's a lone stand-up paddleboarder out there enjoying the sunset. I highly recommend getting a snorkel and mask to explore the sea life under the buoys and around the rocks. Lots of schools of juvenile fish darting around as you explore the undersea boulders at the southern end of the bay. Just avoid touching the barnacles on the rocks as they are very sharp, and I cut my fingers up a little bit using the rocks to stabilise in one spot as I watch the fish and crabs moving around their neighbourhoods. Hearing the waves lap on your beach from your room diminishes any real-world stress. At the beach bar you have a choice of bean bags on the sand, lounge chairs or bar stools depending on how laid back you want to get with your drinks and meal. They also have more traditional dining up on the adjacent pool deck, giving you a great view of the sunset and the glowing green lights from the squid boats fishing out at sea. Some nights they have live music by the pool, and an artist named Bank was happy to take requests.
Blue birds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I Thank you so much ครับ
We couldn't fault the breakfast at Surin. Normally between the two of us, one likes the breakfast far more than the other. It's rare that both our tastes are fully catered for. They had a wide selection to choose from, and the quality and freshness was spot on. Out of the 10 hotels we stayed at on this trip to Phuket, the Surin breakfast came out on top, and as a matter of interest, I checked back through my hotel account history, and it beats 87 other hotels that I've stayed at in the past 2 years. If you don't like stairs, then the superior cottages up on the same level as the breakfast area may suit you better. The only sacrifice is the private sun deck is not that private, and you're further away from the beach views and sounds. 3 stairs and a flat walkway as opposed to say 20 steeper steps could be a better option for you. This is part of the network of jungle walkways and stairs connecting the cottages to the beach, pool, gym and restaurants. In the heat and humidity, people that struggle with multiple stairs might find this the only exertion they have on their stay. That could be offset, of course, by a visit to the spa located up at the reception area. I need to point out that this is a totally independent review. The hotel had no idea that I was doing this video, and we paid full price for our stay. We rarely stay in the same hotel twice, but I think the Surin will be one of our exceptions. The combination of room, breakfast, beach bar food and staff, lack of noisy speedboats and jet skis in the bay makes this property really special. No video can communicate fully the warmth of the water, delicious food, the relaxed sensation and vibe of the place. The Surin is more than just a hotel and resort. Here's a map of the resort. This is the reception, the breakfast area, the pool and the beach bar. These are the hillside cottages uphill from the reception. These superior and 2-bedroom family cottages are about the same level as the reception area. Same with these deluxe cottages just along here. Then these deluxe cottages are down the hill a little bit, and this is the cottage that is shown in the video, 337. Then down the hill a little bit further are the beach suites. This is the gym. Then you've got more beach suites along here on the level where the sand is. This is the library, and this is the sort of bar area where you can eat and all the lounge chairs. If you found this video informative or helpful, please take the time to hit the thumbs up button and give us a like. Subscribe if you want to see more locations. The next videos will be on other interesting hotels like the Banyan Tree, Rayavadi, Zavola, the Shore at Katatani, 10 Moons at Koh Lipe and Twin Lotus at Koh Lanta. And we can also take a look at the Boathouse, La Flora and Pipi Coco. So hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time at The Globe Bug.